What's going on, everybody? So if you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel now, and you guys all see Honda content every day or whenever I upload. But today we're gonna be installing my new rear panels. Well, they're not new, but a local, actually, a local subscriber, I'll put his Instagram right here. He pulled up in his, hatch, and yeah, there's a lot of goodies on the hatch, CTR interior, file lug and everything. But he wasn't using these and it was in his garage, so he decided to sell it to me. And of course I had to buy it because these ones are light gray. And when I bought this, I didn't know my interior was dark gray, which was stupid because, I mean, yeah, it was my fault. And back here is a bit beat up, but I think I can clean it and at least get most of the dirt out. But besides that, at least it doesn't have the giant holes like compared to my current panels in my hatch. So we're gonna put this in today. I don't think I need to show you guys how to do this, so I'm just gonna, like, I guess show you guys the before and after. And let me show you guys the one that's currently in my car. And oh yeah, I just washed the car. So smooth. Alright, so check that out. You see that? That hole. There's two holes because this car used to have a roll cage in it. And also there's more holes. If I bring this back, there you go. They cut holes into it. And yeah, so we're gonna replace that. So it makes the interior a little bit more comfy when I'm cruising around, because those holes do bug me. But yeah, the car, I just washed it. Now you don't see all that dust like in the previous video. It is shiny. And also, I said that I was gonna make a video on this tuck clutch line, but I actually just got off the phone with JB Tuned. Thank you all the time, JB Tuned. So I got off the phone with him and I told him to send me a regular clutch line, because this tuck clutch line, I found out that when I was mocking it up, it goes right through the radiator support, and it just looks weird on my car now because of my tucked radiator that I'm running now. So right here, if you look at this now, the tuck clutch line will go around the firewall, through under the fender, under here, and it'll pop out right here. And this is gonna be weird because it's just a random hose. I'm just gonna be chilling here. So I just told him to send me the regular one, and then so I can take off this rye wire one. And also this long bottom radiator hose, I'm getting a different one. I'm actually gonna be, well, I mean not different one, I'm gonna be trimming it and then make it sit more flush, and also gonna be changing out this 45 to a 90. Gonna change out that wire today for sure, or if not, I'll do it on Saturday or something. And yeah, so it's one thing, but damn, that looks so good. All right, so I'm just gonna pull my current interior panels out, put these in, and then show you guys before or after. And I do want to get to the point where I won't rip out the full interior, take out the dash and everything, and respray the whole inside, because inside the car is black. The car is originally black, and when I first got the hatch shell, the engine bay was black. That was one of the reasons why I color matched it by using, yeah, this router can. So that's why it looks a lot better now. Before it was black, and if I put the motor in there like that, I'd probably be like, ugh, what am I looking at? But yeah, I just color matched bays look a lot better nowadays. All right, I'll get back to you once I slap these in. So I took off the panel. Here's mine. Here's the new one that has no holes in it. That one's been cut into because so they could fit a wrench through, so they could tie down the roll bar, the roll cage, and also here for the shocks. Thank God, I'm not gonna have any holes anymore. It won't bug me anymore every time I look inside the car. Well, for the old panels are out. My brother just cleaned up his windows, and the new panels are in. Check that out. No more holes that will bug me. And I pulled one seatbelt back out, but I'm missing one, so I might go to the junkyard and pick up another seatbelt buckle. But besides that, yeah, looking good now. So a couple days have actually passed since I've done the rear panels, and I look like this because I decided to be a little bummy today and to stay in today. They won't be installing, well, tonight because it's nighttime. We're gonna be installing these headlights, Auxbeam. If you guys follow Zosh on his YouTube channel, he actually tried to install these but it didn't work on his car, so damn. That sucks, bro. That really sucks. But nah, I'm just kidding. I love you, Zosh, but hopefully get those new bulbs in. We're gonna be installing it and we're for sure gonna make it work. Not like Zosh. I'm not roasting Zosh, I'm just saying order the wrong plugs for your car, bro. And a huge shout out to Auxbeam. They provide me with the last set of bulbs for my old car, which I actually do have. I think it's right here actually. Yeah, right here. So these are the old ones that they sent me a long time ago, and then these are the new ones, which are really nice. I already opened it, took a look at it, and these are the ones that they sent me, the T1 series H4 temperature controlled LED headlight bulbs, and this is pretty much like the specs of them. And supposedly when they get hot, it dims down a little bit, but you won't notice it, and then also it doesn't use up as much power. And also LED bulbs, I think in general, don't use up as much power as halogen bulbs. But if you guys actually want to order these, you guys can use my discount code TMLA10 for 10% off over $30 and up. And the discount code still applies to this when I made the video a while back. But now the channel got more exposure, so thank you guys. We're almost at 19K, so damn, this channel is growing pretty fast. I'm surprised. And if you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, subscribe. And I think I said that in the beginning of this video. We're going to compare these two, mine as well. They're, I think, the same brightnesses, but this one's a slightly more wider. I think this is 6500, so it's like bright white, and this is, it doesn't say it, but let's crack open the older ones and compare them. And the one thing I like actually about these bulbs is, one is they look good, and they actually have built-in fans that actually like work. So this is the older one, and honestly the quality doesn't feel as good as the new ones, which let me crack open. And also this does come with a comes with decals, of course, or stickers. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna need this though. Probably not. But this is the new one, which they are slightly heavier, but they look so much nicer. Look at that. Fans down there too. This is the one they sent me a while back, the old school one. Well, not the old school one, but the older one. And this is the new one that they just came out with, which looks super nicer, and it's smaller too, because a while back I think this thing was getting in the way of my headlight clip. But with this one, he'll be straight. And yeah, I don't think you really need this right here. I think these are like small balances, but I feel like I don't need them. The canvas decoder EMC. Honestly, I have no idea what that is. I'm not that smart with like headlights or like all that. We're just gonna pop these in, and I know they will work because I did run those ones without using like a ballast or that little box they gave me. But very simple install. Just pull out the headlight. But before I do that, let me show you guys what my current halogen bulbs look like. Or they're turning purple because I think they're getting old. Yeah, you guys kind of see. But these bulbs, they don't even work. Like I'm driving at night. Like I was driving at night yesterday, and dude, these things do not even project at all. I think they're just old. But I mean, yeah, I kind of grew to liking white. Before I was never a fan of HIDs. So yeah, but let's test out these new Auxbeam LED headlight bulbs. And damn, they look so nice. Like fuck, that's a nice piece. Like that's a nice bulb. Very simple install. Especially if you don't have like AC compressor or anything. Yeah, if your base tucked or your headlight harness is tucked, it's easy to gain access to it because there's not too much stuff around. So first is unplug it. Come on. There we go. Take out that rubber grommet. That prevents water from going in your headlights. That piece, super simple install. It should not take more than 10 minutes or 5 minutes if you're not filming. So this is the current one that I'm using. It is a Luminix. Like I never heard of that brand, but that's that. This is the new Auxbeam one, which looks very nice, slightly bigger, but it does have a fan, and when you turn on the headlights you can hear the fan working if it's the same as the other one. And yeah, just like 6 LED per side. Now I know one thing is on these Civic headlights, especially on the JDM ones, they don't have the little shroud around the headlights, so it's gonna spread everywhere. That's one reason why I don't like getting LEDs for this car or these headlights. But let's just pop it in. There we go. Oh shoot. I don't know if this thing's gonna fit around it, but if anything, I just have to trim it. That's how you really need to do headlights. I don't know why I recorded that. It's in there. This wire's a little longer, so I just tuck it away a little bit. There we go. Now I'm gonna turn the headlight. Come on. Holy fuck. That is so bright. Oh my god, check this out. Hold on, let me, yes, kind of see. And you guys, I don't know if you guys can hear it. Can you guys hear that? Let me bring the mic in closer. The fan's spinning. Holy crap, that thing is bright white. And look, it's already on the ground. It's spraying on the ground. Like, you can see how much brighter it is compared to the current ones in my car. What? Alright, let me do the other side, and I need to figure out how to put this rubber grommet on my car, which is, oh shoot, where'd I put it? Oh no. Oh no. Where did it go? Oh, okay. So I might have to trim that. Yeah, I'm gonna just trim the outer piece, which is this little one, and then the other one, since it's softer rubber, I just expand it over or stretch it over, because I don't want condensation and stuff getting in my headlights. Alright, but in the meantime, I'm just gonna do that one first and then trim these right after. Huge difference. Thank you very much, Jade over at Auxbeam. Ooh, very happy. I used some dikes just to cut that bottom portion, and this one's a lot more flexible. So I'm just gonna stretch it over and see if it fits. The rubber grommet is in around the headlight. Now, since that works, I'm going to trim this one. And I don't know, if I do go back to regular bulbs like later on in the future or something, I'll just get some different ones, because I do have spare ones of these and they're not really expensive to buy or get at the junkyard. Let's put this in and see how much brighter it is with both of them. Finished up putting in the rubber grommets for the headlights. Now I'm just gonna turn the headlights, and I do have both of them in now. So first you got the city lights, and fucking hell. That is extremely bright. Now, what I was talking about on these headlights on the GA ones, you don't have, oh yes, can't see, they don't have the little like shield around the headlight, so it does kind of spread everywhere. But then you can hear the fans put it in work. But I'm very happy, cannot wait to drive this car at night. And most likely when I do, I'm gonna pull into like a spot with a giant wall, park it right in front of it, and adjust the headlights so it's not pointing too up, because these headlights bulbs are really bright and I don't want to blind anybody. So thank you once again, Jade over at Auxbeam. And if you guys want to buy a set of these, use TMLA10 for a 10% off over $30 and up purchases on their site. And I'll drop all the links and all the bulbs in the description down below in the description box. So that's that. And since if you guys got this far in the video, the next video is a special treat for you guys. Well, not a special treat, but I did buy some new things for the car, and one of the things I've always wanted for my car and finally bought it. So in the next video I will show you guys that, and hopefully you guys are excited as I am, because I have not received it in the mail yet. But all I can say is they're spoon. But you guys will see in the next video. So if you guys aren't subscribed, subscribe to the channel and don't listen to others. Just keep building. That is what everybody should be doing. Just keep building your car. And yeah, that's it. So peace out.